Top 5 Smoking Cessation Methods That Work. Thank you for visiting Best 5 Inches channel again. Don't subscribe, like, or set an alarm if you're lazy. Today we're going to discuss the top 5 smoking cessation methods that have proven successful for people around the world. If you're trying to quit smoking, these methods might be just what you need to kick the habit for good. However, the important thing is that each person has different tendencies and constitution, so please consult with a specialist and decide the best way. Let's get started. Method 1. Hypnosis. Hypnotherapy can help reprogram your subconscious mind and change your habits. Look for a certified hypnotherapist specializing in smoking cessation. Method 2. Acupuncture. Some people have found success using acupuncture to help reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms. If you're open to alternative therapies, consider giving it a try. Method 3. Counseling and support groups. Counseling and support groups can provide motivation, encouragement, and coping strategies. Look for local support groups or online forums to connect with others on the same journey. Method 4. Prescription medications. Prescription medications like Chantix, Varenicline, or Zyban, bupropion, can help reduce cravings and increase your chances of quitting smoking. Talk to your doctor about whether these medications are right for you. Method 5. Nicotine replacement therapy, NRT. NRT, such as nicotine gum, patches, lozenges, inhalers, or nasal sprays, can help reduce withdrawal symptoms and cravings. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine the best NRT option for you. Quitting smoking can be challenging, but with the right approach and determination, you can do it. Try these 5 smoking cessation methods and find what works best for you. Good luck on your journey to a smoke-free life.